My name is Mr. Dywert and I will be your teacher today. Today you're going to learn about geometry. First, you'll learn about the line segment. This is any part of a line that is bound by two endpoints. This right here is a line segment. Here are the two endpoints, and there you go. Next, we have a ray. So this is a line that only goes in one direction because one end has an endpoint. This is a ray. It's a line that starts at an endpoint. Next, we have a line. A line is an object on a plane that goes infinitely in two directions. So, this right here is a line. Sometimes there can be segments and rays that add to the line. So, say I have a point here and a point here. I can have a segment right here, or I can have a ray like that. So there's a line. Next, we have an angle. An angle is the space in between when two lines meet on a plane. So when two lines meet, like this space right in here is your angle. An angle is measured in degrees. So say this is 45 degrees. Now, it may not be 45 degrees, but bear with me. Next, we have the acute angle. This is any angle that is less than 90 degrees and more than less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees. So it can be anywhere between here, here, here. Those are all acute angles. Next, we have the right angle. The right angle is any angle with a measurement of exactly 90 degrees. These angles are normally put with a square drawn at the angle. So this right here is 90 degrees exactly. Next, we have the obtuse angle. This is any angle greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. So starting from this point right here, this angle, the 90, to less than 180 degrees right here. Speaking on that subject, next we have is the straight angle. The straight angle is basically a line. A straight angle has an angle of 180 degrees, so it would look like this. So it's no more than 180 degrees and no less. It's a perfect line. Next, we have an adjacent angle. This is when any two angles share a side and an angle. Let's say we have angle A, B, C, and then you do a line connecting to D. this right here, DBC and ABB are adjacent angles because they share a vertex, B, and a side, BD. And next, we have vertical angles. So when two lines cross each other, so like this, and this are your vertical angles. Or if you'd like to go on, these two are also vertical angles. So say this is 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. And if this is 120 degrees, this would also be 120 degrees. You got that? Alright, next.
Attention all 10th graders. In recognition of ISTEP today, we have provided bottles of water and some Teddy Grahams down in the auditorium lobby. 10th graders, if you'd like to come get one of each, feel free to come down and help yourself to those. Those Teddy Grahams need to be consumed by the time testing starts. So if you want to come and get those now, please do so, all 10th graders.
Well, thank you for the interruption, so let's get back to what we were doing. So next we have the complementary angle. These are two angles that always add up to 90 degrees. So let's go again with the A, B, C, D. ABD and DBC are both complementary because they add up to 90. There's something you can always use to remember this.
Emily Talent, Evan Talent, you're needed in the guidance.
Thank you for that interruption. So how to remember a complementary angle is if you live to be 90 years old, you will receive a complement. Next, we have the supplementary angle. This is when any two angles equals 120 degrees. So say this would be 60, this would have to be 120, but it equals 180 degrees. However, an easy way to remember this is if you live to be 180 years old, you must take supplements. And last, for this part of our lesson, we will be doing the linear pair. A linear pair is when we have two angles. This is when two lines intersect. Two lines intersect. So at this, and this. So this angle and this angle will equal 180 degrees. This is when you have two adjacent angles. If you remember the adjacent angles from earlier that share a point, a vertex, and a side. So right here, so A, B, C, and D. So you see again, BD is the side, and B. Oh, thank you for the interruption. So BD would be your side that is shared by A, BD, and DBC. And B would be that common vertex. So I apologize about all the interruptions, but I hope this was a good lesson. Thank you.